Hello. So here are also mesh problems. So you see here, this is inverse culling, and here's mesh overlapping. And yeah, so when colored backface is off and wireframe is off, it looks okay. So, but when you try to voxel remesh, I think it doesn't really work well. So you see here, I go a step back and remesh, so it doesn't remesh proper. And when we check X-ray, you see here, yeah, there's here a mesh inside the other mesh. So, nah, okay. So, yeah, I try to separate the whole thing and try to get it better. So maybe we use here, so I turn this no, and I use here, so binormal. So I guess this is a bug. So I use a normal, play with the setting and press here binormal. So mask, so I mask all the inner parts here. And here's split non-non. So this here is one mesh, overlapping mesh. And I guess here, so this is inverse culling. So this is, yeah, wrong normal direction. But I guess we don't need it anymore. So this one, I delete this one. And for this mesh here, I turn the wireframe on, and you see here are also problems. But I couldn't find a way to, yeah, separate this inner mesh here. I don't know. So what I did is here now I voxel remeshed very high. So, and let's check the X-ray. So you see here, here's a mesh, and then I remesh the whole thing. And let's see what happens. So now I guess the whole thing is, yeah. There are also here problems, but let's see. Maybe if we could fix it now. So I hide this and delete. So maybe I'll try to close holes. Let's check X-ray. Maybe try Boolean. No. Yeah, a voxel remesh seems to fix it a little bit. Is this the only thing here? So here's the only mesh. Yeah, it's not so easy. Now, okay, now it looks okay. Now it looks okay. Yeah, it's sometimes tricky. Yeah, I think this here is the fixed version. And yeah, but yeah, we had to remesh it, so it looks now okay. Okay, that's it. Ciao.